Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious curry beef. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of beef, cut into 1-inch cubes, along with 2 large onions, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger. Don't forget your spices: 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Finally, have 1 can of coconut milk and 4 cups of beef broth ready. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Sear your beef cubes in batches until they are beautifully browned on all sides. This locks in flavor. Once seared, remove the beef and set it aside. Next, add your chopped onions to the pot and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become soft. Then, stir in the minced garlic and grated ginger, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. With our aromatics ready, it's time to build that rich curry base. Sprinkle in your 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cook these spices for about 1 minute, stirring constantly to really toast them and release their incredible aromas. Next, pour in 4 cups of beef broth, making sure to scrape up any delicious brown bits from the bottom of the pot. Finally, add 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, stirring until everything is well combined and smooth. We're almost there. Return your seared beef cubes to the pot, making sure they are fully submerged in that wonderful curry sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it cook. Allow it to simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours, or until the beef is incredibly fork-tender and bursting with flavor. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Serve your delicious curry beef hot with fluffy rice or warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.